Hey y'all, today I'll be teaching you guys how to make aloe vera and Vaseline lip balm. First, you will be needing a bowl to mix with, a mixing utensil, I'll be using a spoon, some aloe vera gel, this is a Korean brand, some Vaseline, essential oils, and olive oil or vitamin oils. And now I'm just placing a piece of paper towel on the table so nothing will get onto my table and stain it. And here I'm taking some food coloring. And now I'm gonna scoop a spoon of Vaseline. I kinda just eyeballed it. Now you're gonna take your bowl and microwave it for 60 seconds. And the result should look like something like this. Now I'm just gonna mix it in. Mixy mixy. And now take your aloe vera gel and dump a bit if you have your spoon. Well, apparently my Vaseline is stuck on it. Since this is just gonna be for me, I'm not gonna use any gloves. And now you just have to mix in very well. And now it has turned very cloudy, but the result will turn somewhat clear. And now I'll be adding some oil. And this is, well, it can be for your skin and, good stuff. And now I'm just gonna mix it in. I'll be using lavender essential oils in here. It smells amazing. I'm putting 3 drops. Mix again. Mixy mixy. I'll be using some purple dye since, lavender is purple. And remember, you should put in food dye so, because it's going on your lips. You're not going to use some paint or whatever. And I will be putting this in the microwave for 30 seconds so I can melt the chunks down. There are still some chunks, but it's okay. I'm just going to mix it. And now scoop your lip balm into the container. And now I'll be banging it against the table so the surface of it will be flat. And now I'll be taking it to the refrigerator to set for 10 minutes. And this is the end result. It is super glossy but not oily. And it smells amazing. And it's super good for your lips. And now I'll be showing you how it looks on my hand. It's gonna be super glossy. See the comparison? Yes, amazing. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love y'all.